Through your intention to fulfill your divine plan, your higher self is guiding you towards an opportunity to align with your divine self and step into your greatest work. ET Contact, Advanced Communication and Conscious Collaboration, is a 2-day immersive experience for souls who are ready to explore their galactic mission and rediscover their divine heritage. In a space of love and guidance, you will visit planets and engage with galactic civilizations through learning the 5D language, a heart-centered and frequency-based language. Develop diplomatic skills to stay grounded, unified, and open-hearted. Tour the interior of different types of spaceships. Meet the crew. Experience your multidimensionality and step beyond your boundary of limitation. We invite you to step into the role your soul is ready to perform and take your place in the greater family of worlds. Activate your 5D divine blueprint and create something new for yourself and the planet. This is not a new journey for your soul. For most of you, it is a remembering, a knowing. ET Contact Advanced Communication and Conscious Collaboration. Available as an in-person group workshop in Singapore and as a private one-to-one online tutorial worldwide. Details are found at the link below.